Welcome to the J&J Auto Contest video of SECE279. Today we have a 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD Duramax truck, LTZ trim, finished in a mocha steel metallic with a cashmere interior. Took a pretty decent front end hit, but she still fires up. Cooling system's compromised, so I'm not going to run it for long, but we can go ahead and get this Duramax running so you guys can hear. We'll check for some blow-by. All right. $223,060 miles, cashmere interior, heated ventilated seats, all the goodies. It's a pretty nice truck. Front end though, she took a hit. All right, reach up here. Nothing. Good running Duramax, guys. Truck is very well cared for, veteran owned, really nice condition given the miles. Let's step inside, test some stuff out really fast while I've got full power. Mirrors, passenger side. That all works well. All the window regulators are doing their thing. Climate control is working. Power pedals. Oh yeah. Power adjustable pedals. No heated wheel on this one though. All right, making good oil pressure. It's charging. I don't want to run it for too long though, because God only knows what's rubbing up there. We don't want to damage this thing. Oh man, nice illuminated sun visors. She got all the goodies. Home link. Nice. Yep, this is going to be a good unit. Alright guys, that is going to conclude the J&J Auto Contest video of SECE279. If you are looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, head on over to our website. There's going to be a link in the description down below. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Remember guys, Bitcoin saves your wealth. Jesus saves your soul. Seatbelts save lives. Have a good one.